Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Open the glove box. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew and remove the dampening arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the housing panel. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. With its airflow indicating arrow pointing down, install your new AQ1044C filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing panel. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.